Why is it that I lack motivation to hit my goals? Sometimes I go attend workshops or watch a video, I get a hit of motivation, but it's not long lasting. How do I keep my motivation? That's the question I got asked the other day. Hi, I'm Karms, accountability coach and master of the mind. Would you like to know the short or the long answer? Short answer is that you need to change. Your current strategy is not working, obviously. So the question is, are you willing to change? Do you want the change? You're probably thinking, well, yeah, sure, I want the change, otherwise I wouldn't have asked. But is it hard to change? And is it possible? Absolutely possible. No, it's not hard at all. It just takes 3 steps. And you need to do all 3. Ideally in that sequence. So the prerequisite for change are, ready? Number 1, a breakthrough session. 2, get rid of negative emotion, limiting beliefs, integrate your parts and create a compelling future. 2, take action. You got to enforce your boundaries. 3, you got to focus on what you want. That's it. It's that simple. Just those 3 things. So, if it's so simple, then how come not more people have it? Rewatch the video again and again and see if you've done all 3. That's the answer. Because I can assure you, if anyone's done those 3 things, they would achieve it, the outcome that they want, the goal that they want. So let's work backwards. Go from the bottom. Take number 3 as an example. Focus on what you want. Most people focus on what they don't want. They're like, my boss is shit, my pay is shit, these people are bad, they're doing all this. No, focus on what you want, not what you don't want. Number 2 was take action. All right? Did you take action? So if you want a high paying job and you're just complaining, but you haven't applied for anything and you haven't put effort into your CV or anything, well, that's not taking action. Yeah? So we're just gonna be really honest with ourselves. Like, have you really done 3? Have you really done 2? And then 1 is do a breakthrough session. Why is that important? Because it's really hard to do 2 and 3 if you haven't got 1 clear. Let me give you an example. Look at this bottle, right? It used to be clear. When we first here in this world, it's great. Everything was clear. Then we go through life. Maybe we're halfway, 1/3 of the way through life, and we've gone through dramas, experience pain, and we've copped some shit, yeah? So we've got things inside of us that we haven't sorted out yet. And you're thinking, sure, everyone has shit. Okay, yeah, right. But that doesn't mean you need to carry it or keep it. So what happens when you keep it? You go, I take some effort, I do take some action, I work so hard, I keep doing these things, I'm going through life, and it's like, I'm getting, oh look, it's getting a little bit better, I'm just getting more used to it. Yeah, I'm getting more used to the crap. The problem is, it's still crap. It's just been diluted a bit, you've copped it, you kind of adopted to it, it's like you kind of put up with it. And it's like, maybe it's this shitload is lessened a little bit. Maybe, because you've just gotten used to it. But, like, you haven't gotten rid of it. So, why not just get rid of it? If you clear it, do number 1 first and do the breakthrough session. No negative emotion, no limiting belief, then 2 and 3 will be at ease. So why do we make life so hard for ourselves? If you want to do a breakthrough session, just reach out. And if you want to learn the actual techniques of how to do it, I have 1 spot left in NLP Excel line. So apply for it, and then if you're the right kind of person, then we'll be working together. Then you'll learn how to sort out this so you don't have to carry it for the rest of your life.